Okay, you notice that I deleted the McAfee. I uninstalled McAfee. It shouldn't pop up anymore. I want to personalize my machine. I think that that's kind of what we do. Certain apps that we use all the time. You can see I've got several on my screen, one of which is Collage. And Collage is something I know a lot of the teachers use. Anybody that has a clear touch board is using those Collage features. So let's figure out how we can add things. Again, I'm going to go down here to my taskbar. What am I searching for? I can say, well, I'm looking for some apps. Maybe it's an app. You notice that you can go to the Microsoft Store. You've got some apps that are already installed. Okay. And I think I just showed you how to uninstall, but let's go to the Microsoft Store. Let's see. And I could look. Sure enough, there's my iTunes. Do you have iTunes music that you have a playlist for your classroom or whatever? You can use iTunes on here. Just install it. Install the app. You can install iCloud if you've saved everything on your Mac and you've got it in iCloud. Install iCloud. All of those things. You've got some other things, lots of apps. I'm not going to go through all the apps, but just know that there's a lot of apps. Go find them. Go decide what's going to work for you. Okay, and that's what we want you to do. We want you to love it. I love this. Okay. But let's say I'm looking for collage and it's for the clear touch board. And so I type that in the search and I'm thinking, well, it's an app, right? Well, I'm not actually seeing the correct one here. I see lots of collage makers and that's fun. And I might want to go back and add some of those. But since I'm looking for a specific program that goes with our boards, I'm actually going to have to go to the internet. I've already added my Chrome. So I'm going to go to Chrome and I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to type in clear touch and collage. That's what I'm looking for. Just a Google search, right? That's what we do. Google search, and here it is. It says clear touch downloads. I'm looking here, get clear touch. A lot of times, if you don't already know this on searches, a lot of times it's an advertisement up here. In this case, it's probably fine, but just kind of be aware, what site am I going to find this? I'm going to go to ClearTouch, go to my downloads. I'm going to find the ClearTouch download for Windows, just like you actually did for the Mac. Okay, and you're going to see the drivers. Um, Go ahead and agree with this. Again, silence is protecting pretty much everything you do. So you should be okay there. And then here's my PC driver packages. I can accept cookies. It wants me to log in. Okay, and here's our software. Snowflake, by the way, something I'm going to show y'all later. Snowflake is pretty interesting. It's using AI, artificial intelligence, for teachers and creating some lessons and things. So if you feel like exploring, Snowflake is pretty interesting. But you're looking for collage. Here's for the Mac. If you have an iPhone, you can put it on there. If you have an Android, but what you're looking for is this. Um, sorry, collage for, where is it? Collage for Windows right here. You would download it, be a little challenging because I've already got this installed, but you download, you would double click it to execute that file. You can see it's coming right down here in my downloads. One download is in project progress. You can see my progress bar up here. This is just running in Chrome, so I'm thinking that most of y'all are very familiar with this. Once I've got it downloaded, I can open it up. It's a zipped file, just means it's all, everything it needs is contained in one. Think that with our Windows machines, we're used to the DMG files. This is similar. Okay, I've already executed this, but I'll execute it again. I'm going to go here and double click it. Okay, I'm going to extract all. You've got to extract it before you install. That's just sort of a rule. Okay, I don't, this is the breadcrumb trail, shows me where it's going in. It's going into my documents folder, and I'm just going to say extract. Actually, just let that automatically happen. I'm not worried about where it is. I know that I'm going to, I'll replace it since I've already got it installed. It's asking me this. Okay, but had I not had it installed, it would have done it right away. Now it's not installed yet. I actually have to go and double click it and install it. Okay. It's going to ask you if you're sure. And then I'm going to go to more info. I'm gonna say run it anyway. I know what this is. I know it's from a safe site here in the campus. I know it's gonna protect some of the stuff for me. Um, and yeah, it's not unknown hardware. It's what I want. And so I'm going to install Collage.